Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if CommBank offers youth or teen accounts. Yes, CommBank offers accounts specifically for young people and teens. They have a variety of options designed to help kids and teenagers learn how to manage their money. The main accounts are Youth Saver Account. This is a savings account for people under 18. It's designed to help them save and earn interest on their money. Smart Access Account for Youth. This is a transaction account for kids under 14. It's a great way for them to practice responsible spending habits with parental controls in place. Kit. This is a pocket money app and prepaid card designed for kids aged 5 to 13. It's a tool to help them learn about earning, saving, and spending in a fun way. You can even link a Youth Saver account to Kit so kids can track their savings and earn interest. These accounts have features like no monthly fees and parental controls, making them a popular choice for families looking to introduce their children to banking and financial literacy. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.